A dramatic battlefield video is now circulating online, and it is sending shockwaves across the Middle East. A powerful militia group says that it has struck one of Israel's most feared battlefield machine, the legendary Merkava tanker. Welcome to Times XP. Well, the armed group named Hezbollah, based in Lebanon, has released the footage that it claims shows a very successful anti-tank missile attack on an Israeli armored vehicle close to the border with Israel. According to the group, the target was the Merkava Mark IV, widely considered one of the most advanced battlefield tankers that is ever built on the planet. In the video, a missile is seen launching from a concealed position and racing towards the tank position near the frontier. Moments later, a very powerful explosion erupts around the armored vehicle, followed by a thick black smoke rising from the impacted area. In the meantime, Hezbollah says that the strike was carried out using an anti-tank guided missile, basically a weapon designed to specifically penetrate heavy armor. And this is significant. Why? Because the Merkava tank is not an ordinary battlefield vehicle. Developed by Israel Defense Forces, it is known for its heavy armor protection, advanced targeting system, and a trophy active protection system. Basically, a defensive technology designed to intercept the incoming rocket and missiles before they even hit the tanker. Seeing a missile apparently strike such a platform immediately grabs military analysts' attention. Well, this whole incident reportedly happened in an area that is close to the tense frontier between Israel and southern Lebanon. This particular border region has witnessed frequent exchanges of fire in recent months as tensions rise across the wider Middle East. Hezbollah fighters have been launching rockets, drones, precision-guided missiles, while Israel has been responding with the artillery and air strikes on suspected militant positions. In the meantime, Hezbollah says that the attack is part of the broader military campaign against Israel and claims that it is responding to the regional tensions that are linked to Iran. The group has repeatedly warned that if the conflict widens, its forces are prepared for a prolonged confrontation along Israel's northern border. In the meantime, military experts note that Hezbollah possesses a large arsenal of anti-tank weapons, including the Russian-designed system that have been used in previous conflicts as well. Well, these missiles are actually capable of striking the armored vehicle from several kilometers away and can be fired from hidden position in hills, buildings, or tree lines. Now, for Israel, the armored unit, like the Merkava, it plays a very important role in border defense and ground operation. Tanks are often deployed near the front lines to protect the troops, support the units, and respond quickly to the attacks. But the bigger picture, it goes far beyond a single tanker. The release of the combat footage is often used as a psychological and strategic signal. By showing a successful strike, armed groups attempt to demonstrate their capability, boost the morale amongst the supporters, and send a warning to their opponents. And that is exactly why this video is being discussed so widely. Because if advanced armored vehicles are being targeted successfully, it kind of suggests that the fighting along Israel-Lebanon border is becoming more intense, more sophisticated, and potentially far more dangerous in the days ahead.